You can manifest money fast into your life, doing what I'm about to share with you, but then everyone is always like, no, you can't do that, you can't do that. I'm going to share with you actual proof from someone other than myself, a viewer on this channel, that you can actually 10x your income using the law of attraction. Money can start flowing to you where it literally feels like magic and everyone else is saying, yeah, right, that can't happen. I'm telling you, you can attract money in ways that you can't comprehend, and the reason that you don't know this already is because the 1% don't want this stuff out. You can manifest money fast using these law of attraction techniques. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Imagine what your life would be like if you could 10x your income, if money could come to you easily, if you didn't have to work all day long for it. What could happen in your life? Let's dive right into this video. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the words from Angie, last name not included, just for privacy, and it's someone from our channel that watches these videos, and this is the email that she said. I had to reach out to you. The work you do has played a role in a sudden success of my business. Guess what? Success can come to you suddenly. I'm telling you, what I'm about to share with you is going to allow it to come to you suddenly into your life. She goes on to say, after struggling to break past $2,000 per month in revenue, I generated over $10,000 in November. That's 5 times more. And more than $190,000 in sales in December. She went from 2,000 to over 190,000 and 200,000 in January. Below is a screenshot, and she shares it from her payment gateway. I'm projecting over $1 million in sales. Get this, are you listening to this? Guess what is about to happen in your life? Your life can shift forever. She says it's absolutely mind-blowing for herself and her family, and she goes on to share that she has the freedom for them to actually go to Disney World this fall. Woohoo! Think about the things that you could do with money. Don't think about, this isn't gonna work. This is silly. This is stupid. As soon as you do that, you negate to your brain and your subconscious mind the possibility even existing. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not real. So if you can be in the possibility of the money being in your life already, you're suggesting to your subconscious mind that this thing has already happened, because your subconscious mind isn't logical, it isn't rational. It doesn't know how to be like, oh, that's real, oh, that's not real, oh, that's possible, oh, that's not possible. She goes on to say, she made over $500,000 since coming across the things that we're talking about here. And what it means to her is that this money means I don't have to go back to my corporate job, and I can continue to work at home and be with my kids. That means everything to me and my family. She goes on to share all of these amazing things about how sudden money came to her, how unexpected success came into her life. And she shares in this very detailed email that she was doing certain techniques, certain exercises that we talk about on this channel. She was adopting these ideas that we share, and she got the results. So my question to you is, what is really possible in your life? Like, just imagine what would happen if you already had the money you wanted. See, most people don't decide they actually want the money in the first place because they don't think it's possible. So they're proceeding into the future based off of information from the past, saying this thing in the future isn't possible based off of something that has happened to me. Therefore, my desire for more money isn't even possible. Therefore, I'm not really going to want it anyways. I'll just wish and hope and I'll envy, but I'm not truly going to desire it. The word desire means of the Father. Desire, of the Father. And whether you not believe in a traditional God or not, I look at it like God is in everything. It's this energy system, this creative intelligence of the universe that spun the earth perfectly around the sun. It's allowed your fingernails to grow, your heart to beat, all of this beautiful nervous system to function, created all of these amazing things, and it's a conscious intelligence that we're all connected to. Desire. your desire. You have to believe that your desire is possible and know it. Tell yourself right now, large sums of money come to me unexpectedly. Comment that down below. Large sums of money come to me unexpectedly. People say, this is just silly. Why would you even entertain an idea that this is silly in your mind? If your thoughts become things, which they do, why would you even entertain the idea and limit yourself before you even get to the future that you're imagining? Comment down below. Large sums of unexpected money come to me now. Large sums of money come to me unexpectedly. Comment that down below. Large sums of, get it ingrained into your subconscious mind. Use this video right now as an incubator for you to formulate your own consciousness the way that you intend your consciousness to be. There was a beautiful quote I once heard. It says, by passionately believing in what does not yet exist, you create it. By passionately believing in what doesn't yet exist. And the way you do that is imagine what you can do. She shared about the most beautiful part about the money isn't the money itself, it's the freedom that it gave her, the confidence that it gave her, the opportunity to take her kids to Disney World, the opportunity for her to leave her corporate job and work from home. Imagine what you could do. Imagine the cold wind on your face in your dream convertible, smelling the ocean in your beautiful dream home. Imagine yourself not at the job you want. My mom just left. I just surprised her with a first class ticket out to Hawaii from California, where she lives, out of nowhere. I didn't tell her. I bought the ticket. I said, hey mom, you're coming next week, first class, nonstop. See you soon. Pick you up at the airport. I already coordinated it with your work. Everyone already knows you're good to go. You got the work off. You're good to go. I got to do that because I had the money to do it. Why? Because I believed that I could attract it. You can attract it into your life. Comment down below. I can attract money now. I can attract money now. So Angie goes on to say, without your YouTube videos, affirmations, and hypnosis recording, I would have never worked up the nerve to take the necessary action to get me these results. So let's look at those words, the nerve. What does that mean? It means that she was able to shift her nervous system, her physiological sensations about her possibilities enough where she wasn't immobilized by fear and immobilized by doubt. So do me a favor. Download my free success hypnosis right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Start to use that. I'm telling you, she used it in order to start reconditioning her nervous system and her subconscious mind and her thought patterns in the way her brain was habitually operating. And as that happened, new opportunities started coming. There's a beautiful quote by Henry David Thoreau, and he says that when you move confidently in the direction of your dream, success will meet you in unexpected common hours. Things will just come to you. They will start showing up in your life, but you have to realize that the word desire means of the Father. It's totally worthy of you to have money, to attract the money you desire, for you to be wealthy, for you to have financial freedom, for you to get paid for your services, your talents, your passions, your art, your ideas. You have to know, I am worthy of having money. You are worthy of having money. Say that to yourself 5 times right now. I am worthy of having money. That's what my success hypnosis does. It starts to train your mind into the belief of self-worth, that you're worthy of money, because it's totally right. Because if the word is desire and it means of the Father, then it's your right to be rich. It's your holy right that God or the universe truly wants you to be rich, because it's the medium that allows you to experience more of the universe's creation. So jakeshypnosis.com, comment down below, I have a right to be rich. I have a right to be rich. You truly have it. Say it to yourself. Desire means of the Father. Your desire is really God's desire for you to experience more life for yourself, for your family. Like for me, part of my desire, that was God's, the universe desire through me, and it allowed me to unexpectedly bring my mom out. She was so happy. She misses us so much because she's in California and she doesn't get to see us. That was the universe doing it through me, and it can do those things for you. Start thinking about the possibilities. You are worthy. You're good enough. Great things are coming into your life. Say it. Large sums of money come to me now. Quickly now. And as you say that, your subconscious starts to say, oh, it's happening. And then the subconscious controls 95% of your life. So then that takes control and things start coming to you unexpectedly. That's how unexpected success comes, because the subconscious receives the impression that you're giving it. Say to yourself, I am worthy. It is my right to be rich. Large sums of money come to me now. And you might be like, Jake, this is all hunky-dory, but this is a bunch of BS. Guess what? This is scientific. Everything is energy. Everything is energy. You look at the wall, or you look at a $100 bill, or you look at a human being, we're all energy. The chair you're sitting on is energy. It's just a massive energy moving at a speed of light that appears to be solid to your eyes. But if you look under it with an electron microscope, a powerful enough microscope, what you find is that the solid matter isn't solid. It's made of atoms, and an atom is 95% empty space. It's just conscious intelligence vibrating. It's all energy, just at different rates of vibration. Just like there's only one sound wave, there's only one real sound, but then there's a bunch of variations of that on your radio station that produce all the different frequencies at which it's operating. 89.4, 89.6, 97.6. It's sound. It says what it is, but they have a bunch of different frequencies of it and broadcasting signals for it that allows you to pick things up at different stations. Similarly, there's all these different variations of energy. One variation of energy creates your body. One creates money. One creates the appearance of the wall. One creates the appearance of your car. But it's all energy, and it all comes from one originating source. You can call that God, consciousness, the universe, divine intelligence, energy, spirit. You can call it anything that you want, the mind of God. You can call it anything that you want, but we're all one with it. We're all different individualizations of it. You're already one with the money that you want. You're already one with it. So you're already connected to the money that you want, but you have to speak it into existence. You have to command it into existence by affirming, I am attracting large sums of money now. I am earning this amount of money. This is what's happening in my life. I am. You command it. You bend the energy, the conscious intelligence of the universe. And as your frequency starts to vibrate in harmony with wealth, you start to pull the physical symbol of wealth into your life, which in this world of commerce is money. So your energy starts vibrating in harmony with abundance, prosperity, and wealth. The physical symbol of that is money, or the equivalent of it, the freedom, like Angie expressed, and you start drawing those situations and things into your life as a result of that, because your energy is in harmony with it. Say to yourself, I'm attracting money now, large sums of it come to me. What's happening right now is you're starting to receive a reprogramming of your subconscious. Things are going to start showing up in your life quickly. They may happen today. They may have happened while you were watching this already. An email, a text, a phone call that comes. It may happen later. It's going to come. Come back and share your success story right here down below, and download my free success hypnosis. Start using that today as the final trigger to cement these ideas into your subconscious mind. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's free right there down below. So let me say this one more time. Great things are on the way. You're worthy of money. You're worthy of getting paid. You're worthy of money coming to you unexpectedly. You're worthy of, more importantly, the things that money represents. For me, being able to have the energy of money, enough energy of money where I could easily surprise my mom, buy her first class flight to Hawaii unexpectedly last minute. You're worthy of the money for you to have the freedom. You're worthy of you being good enough to be able to buy the foods you want, drive the car you want, live where you want, have the freedom that you want. You're worthy of going to your favorite restaurants, of being able to be the biggest donor for your favorite charity and helping this person and helping this person and employing these people. You're worthy of it. Why? You're an individualization of this beautiful divine intelligence that has created this entire life. You're not separate from it. You've developed a mind that sometimes likes to believe it's separate because it's convinced in the idea of separation, because our consciousness is attached to third dimension, where we think this is who I am and I end right here at the edge of this skin, and then there's the camera right there, and we're all these different objects stuck in space and time. No, that's just an illusion, because your eyes only see a little bit of visible light. We're all one. We're all connected. You're good enough for everything that you want. You're worthy of money. You're worthy of the things money can buy. You're worthy of these things. You're good enough. Comment down below, I am worthy of money. Comment down below, I am worthy of money. Comment down below, I am worthy of money, and repeat that to yourself right now a few times just to drill that in. I am worthy of money. I'm worthy of the things money can buy. And think about the things that you want and repeat them. I'm worthy of this job. I'm worthy of this thing. Say it to yourself. You're good enough. Say it. Large sums of money come to me unexpectedly. As you keep doing this, you're training it. The subconscious mind controls 95% of your life, 65,000 thoughts in a day. So when this starts to take over, you start to fire new brain cells. Those brain cells start to wire together. Your brain even gets conditioned neurologically to you being in the energy of prosperity. And then your brain starts to produce these realities, and they start coming unexpectedly because the entire intelligence of your mind, your body, your brain, your nervous system has taken over with this idea, with this desire, this desire of yours, which is coming of the Father, of the universe, of God. And it's seeking fulfillment through you. The universe starts creating for you. Great things are occurring for you. You're going to attract the people, places, and situations. It's coming to you now. All right. Today was a fun video. I liked today's video. So Angie, thank you for sharing your success story. I know everyone shares them. This is one that happened to get forwarded to my team that I happened to take a peep at. It was absolutely incredible. And we'd love to hear your success story as well. You can comment it down below about something great that happens from this video or a previous one of mine. Come and share it down below. Make sure that you download my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And use that. It's free. Start to retrain your subconscious. Start to get new brain cells firing in the energy of prosperity. You're worthy of it. Great things are on the way. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right over there. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So double check, please, that you've actually hit that bell notification right over there. So even if you subscribed a few weeks ago, the thing is, I used to think that, you subscribe and then you're good to go. But the way YouTube works now is you actually have to hit the bell notification to get notified. So just double check you've actually done that. Comment down below, money comes to me unexpectedly. Comment down below, money comes to me unexpectedly. Money comes to me unexpectedly. Great things are heading into your life now. I can feel it. I'm excited about it. Take a deep breath. Breathe that possibility in. Great things are on the way. Yes, they are. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video.